This is rare. Like super rare. Costs $50. Just for one. That's why I have nothing else on. Stuff on it.
There you go.
Come back.
Clean it up so we can.
I did.
No, you didn't. Let me see this ring.
I did.
Here, let me see.
Or maybe I didn't. Okay, so now
So now what? You gonna put something on your lips or whatever?
this. How
You
many?
got chapstick.
Chapstick. You have to put this on before chapstick.
What is that? Like
Lip balm.
lip balm?
It's lip. You have to put lip balm on first before you put.
Or you can put lip gloss?
Yes. I couldn't get it open.
What's that for? To protect your lips?
No, it keeps your lip from drying. This gives it the cover. Shut the door.
Every single time.
So now we are going to use this. I can't open it. Dad!
Harry.
This is hard. Never mind. You're supposed to be talking for me. Oh, God.
This is a video, not a live. You gotta stay in the video.
So, tiny brush. Tiny. What color should I go for? What color? Purple.
I don't know about the purple.
Purple! Oh, God. So, I'm going with purple. Because your lips are glitter.
Purple, blue, yeah, purple, blue, brown.
No,
green.
purple. Purple. I do not have green.
No, you got a brown eye, a blue eye. Pink cheeks. And purple glitter lips.
Yeah.
So when you're bored, make your dads or whatever play makeup. Or watch us while we play makeup.
One time I turned him into a girl.
Let's don't talk about that.
Yes, yes, yes. I turned him into a girl because he wanted to be a girl.
No, I didn't.
Yes, he did.
You got bored and she wanted to paint my fingernails
Look.
and still have some going on there a little bit.
Yeah, he didn't take off the green, but he took off all my other colors. Ugh! We're turning back into a girl later on.
No.
Yes. That actually looks kind of cute. That does really look cute.
Yeah, you are cute. Calm down before you knock the whole thing off.
How do we pause it?
Say, if you're finished with your video, tell them that you're done. Do you like it? If so, like and subscribe. Thank y'all.
Thank you. Bye.